Hey guys, it's Rob Guilty, Logical Trading, and today I'm here to talk to you about the mindset of your trading. Fix your trading mindset and get your trading right. That's basically what we're about at the end of the day. And the main reason I'm talking to you is because I'm really tired of all these YouTube videos out there, including mine, which effectively give you a lot of bullshit. They lie to you, they carry on about all these magical tricks of how you're going to go and find a trading system that's going to work for you and it's going to resolve all your problems. And unfortunately, I'm here to give you the bad news that there isn't one. It doesn't exist. There's no such thing on the planet. You cannot simply go out there and find a magic trick. I've been doing this for a lot of years. And the one big thing is, there's so many different indicators and goodies and tricks out there that you can go and find. For example, there's moving average crossovers, Fibonacci's, MACDs, all kinds of different things. And effectively, they can all work for you. But at the end of the day, you need to sort out your mindset to make this work for you. So without further ado, let's get to it. Let's talk about this little rant I've got today. So with that said, I'll show you my trading system a little bit later on my edge, whatever the case. But at the end of the day, I'm not the greatest trader. Here's a risk disclaimer. Don't do what I do. Don't even trade. 90% of people lose money trading, and you probably will as well. So there's no point to it. I can show you my trading system. It'd take about 15 seconds. It's so easy, so simple. But it's going to take you 15 years to learn the market. That's the problem at the end of the day. Now there's guys out there that are promoting you could make 2% per day. Now you work that out. You go and put 100 grand in there, and within 15 years, I don't know how many billions you would have. So why would I be putting it out on YouTube to show you at the end of the day? So really, I'm just putting this out there because I'm really, really tired of it all. And look, if you want to follow my trading, you're more than welcome to. Every day we put one trade out, let's say, and it goes onto my Facebook page. You can get it down there in the link, and onto the website, the blog, let's say, and everyone can follow that trade if they want to. If you want me to give you more videos or whatever the case, comment below and let me know. It'll be interesting. But I don't really have a lot of time for that. I've got my trading to worry about, and I'm just having a little rant here. But at the end of the day, where the big problem lies is with the psychology of it all. What you've got is a situation where if I said to you, let's do a coin toss, right? Let's toss a coin 10 times, a 5 rand coin. I'm in South Africa, we'll call it rands, not dollars. And let's say I said to you, let's do that. Let's toss a coin 10 times. Would you agree that at least 5 times you're going to win and 5 times you're going to lose? So you're going to break even at the end of the day. You're going to say, well, what's the point? Well, the point is, what if I said to you, for every 5 that you lose, I'll take the 5 rand, but for every 5 that you win, I'll give you double, so I'll give you 10 rand. Anyone I know would take that bet. That's a great bet, because even if you only win 3 out of 10, you're still doing well. So that's the basis of trading as well at the end of the day. If you look at a market, if you look at a chart, if you look at this chart here, this can go up or it can go down. It can go anywhere. You don't know which way it's going to go. It can go anywhere at once. It's a 50-50 bet. If you go and play the lotto, right, you put 50 rand down, you know that you're playing for that big prize, okay? You know that. And you know that the chances of you losing that 50 rand, $50, whatever it is you put down, you know there's a big chance you're going to lose that money. And when you lose it, you're quite happy to go out the following week and play again. Or if you go to a casino and you put all your money on red, you know that there's a good chance you're going to lose that money. But when you lose it, it's okay. But when you put your money in trading and you watch it losing, suddenly that's a big problem. Suddenly the stress comes in, the fear comes in, the fear of losing. It just goes mad, okay? And the biggest issue with you is you follow your losers, but you don't follow your winners. Now, I'm going to make a video later on how to go about following your winners rather than your losers, and the psychology behind that. But we're not going to do that today. I'm just saying to you that cut your losers quickly and take your stop loss. So if you want to make a trade and you're going to say bet that $50 or 50 Rand on a trade, take your stop loss, put it at $50, and if it loses, you bought a trade and it lost. It's a bit like a lotto ticket. But if it wins, you're going to make a couple $100, and that's where you're going with this. Okay, try and add to your winners. Stop trying to just get out your winners very quickly and follow the losses all the way down to the bottom. At the end of the day, because that's what most people are doing, is they're just following the losses. Swap them around. Okay, so if you have a target on the win, right? Push your wins away as they get closer, maybe put a trailing stop, but only do that when it's really far away. Don't do it when it's just gone into profit, because guaranteed it's going to come back and take you out. Try and make your losses limited, right? So let me show you what I basically do, and let's see if I can do that. I'm not really sure if I can here. I'm not sure if I can annotate. Yeah, there we go. Let me see if I can get some shapes here. Let's draw. Okay, there we go. So effectively what I do is I trade either support and resistance, a supply and demand, or an imbalance. Okay, so let's have a look. This is a FTSE. This is very much a range, and there's your nearest sort of resistance, and okay, there's a support down here. If I look at this around 74, there's actually quite a bit of supply down there. So, you can look at this and say, which way is it going to go? You don't really know. Okay, so you can gamble which way it's going to go. I would wait for it to get up here to the 75, maybe go short with a view to it perhaps going back down again. So, you can watch it go from there back down to there. And if it pushes through there, wait for it to go up, come down, and go back up again. But we'll get into detail on trades like that at a later date. If I go up here, I don't know this program that well. I'm really getting myself into a knot with this program. But okay, this is really not my program, and this is not the program that I normally use. So you have to excuse me for a moment here, but what I will normally do is I'll kind of go onto a daily. This is a 4 hour, put my resistance and my supports in, and go back to the 4 hour and get my charting from there at the end of the day. And let me just cross this out so that I can use this. Okay, let's see if we can get another. Let's try and get the S&P in here. Sorry guys, I don't use this charting program. Now the big thing with this is, let me just move this out of the way. Look at this. Look at where this is sitting at the moment. Okay, so it's pushed through the resistance level. It's probably going to come back to test it and carrying on going up. And the S&P looks like it's going to go way past the 4,600 mark. Now, when you're trading, right, and you watch these programs where the experts, the professionals, there's always these professional traders. They don't like retail traders, by the way. They'll sit there and they'll tell you, yeah, no, but you've got to trade it long term, 3 years, 20 years, whatever the case. Can you imagine 20 years? Okay, I don't have that kind of time. I'm a day trader. sometimes a swing trader, it really doesn't matter putting a name to it. I trade fast, I trade quick, so I don't have time to wait 3 years or 20 years. These professionals, anyone can do that. Anyone can sit and say, buy that share and wait 3 years. I guarantee you'll probably make money at the end of the day. But if you want to make money on the day, I only trade the indices, I only trade the currencies. So, there's no time for that BS. So, you've got to figure out how to do that and how to do it quickly. Use your system, the system that you've figured out, and because using somebody else's system is very difficult to follow, and see how that goes for you, all right? But just try and work your losses and whatnot. If you want more videos, let me know. I'll have a look at it and see if I can go into more depth and more training for you. But for the time being, it's just my rant. Stop watching all the BS. If you've got a system, follow it closely. Don't divert from it. Try and stay with it. And like I say, if you want to try my system, you're more than welcome to. I just trade the support and resistance. It goes up or down. Supply and demand, something like that. And see how it goes for you. But you've got to get a feel for what's going on in the market, and that's the big thing, and where the patterns lie and that sort of thing. Anyway, till next time, it's Rob Guilty, it's Logical Trading. Stay well.